So before starting my telling you my experience, you guys know me now. You know my name is Ashwin Paigar. I'm from Pune, and so basically I come from a family. My ancestors were serving in the army of the great Shivaji Maharaj. So one of my ancestors, he was a Sardar in that army, who captured the fort of Atak in Pakistan, on the border of Pakistan. So now coming to the past life regression. So my past life regression, the appointment was a funny thing. I got a message on the group which I missed. I was having dinner. I went to sleep. Then my friend called me. He's like, "Your name's in the group. Come down." And it was already 1 hour past for the message. I found Sam. I told him, "Please, yaar, do this for me." वो बोला आज नहीं, and I don't know. He looked at me and he was like, "तेरे लिए बहुत टाइम लगने वाला." तो I was like, "तू कुछ भी कर, रात लग जाएगी, चलेगा, आज कर ले." So he's like, "Fine, meet me at 11:30." I sat in uncle's room. He's not here now. तो फिर इसने बुलाया. I went. So when everybody knows the process, we went through the meditation and everything. So the first thing I saw was not a relative of mine. His name was Ashok Mishra Andal. He died some time back. So he was a person who was a Brahmin, and he had powers in him. And his guru was a Muslim person. So whenever we had any problem in our life, we used to call him. You know, we are stuck here, help us out. And he used to call my mother as his sister, so I was his bhanja. So when he died, I don't know, I was selfish, whatever. I just told my mama, "You go for the funeral, I'm not coming." And he loved me very dearly. He gave me a lot of wisdom. So the first thing I saw was him, and I told him, "I can see this person." He told me, "Can you recognize who it is?" I said, "Yeah, I can properly recognize who this person is." He's like, "Go to him, talk to him." I told him, "I don't have to talk to him. There's this guilt in my, conscience since a long time that I've not gone to his funeral." He's like, "Go apologize to him. He's waiting for you." I went, apologized, and I could literally feel him, turning away, going into the white light with a smile on his face. He hugged me very tightly. And after that, Sam asked me, "Do you want to go back?" I said, "Yeah, of course, that's what I'm here for." And then he took me back. I could see myself in a market. And he asked me, "What kind of market is this?" I said, "It's a very raw market. It's a pattar pade hue hai." Then he told me, put symbols, gain that vision through healing and everything, ki kya dikh raha hai and all that. So when I did all that, tabhi I saw a huge market. It was a medieval times market. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Knight Templars. वो टाइम का मार्केट था वो. तो मैंने फिर उसको बोला ऐसा ऐसा है. He's like, "तू कहाँ पे है?" तो मैंने बोला, "I am roaming. I am wearing a big coat. I can see myself from the back side. I'm a tall guy with बड़े बाल है. मैंने पोनी बांधा हुआ है और मैं वैसे घूम रहा हूँ मार्केट में." He's like, "हाथ में क्या है? कुछ है? Any weapon or anything in your hand?" He's like, "I'm just roaming around. I have big boots in my leg." तो उसने बोला, "कोई शॉपकीपर्स कैसे है? मतलब वुडन शॉप्स है, टेंट्स है, क्या है?" तो मैंने बोला, "टेंट्स लगे हुए हैं." बोले, "What are you doing there? Are you buying anything? Are you selling anything?" I like, "No, I'm just looking, I'm looking if everything is good." And then I told him, "I'm the owner of this market and people have put their tents here and I've given them space to put all the material up in here." He's like, "Go and ask somebody if, what era is this, where you are and who you are." I went, I couldn't talk to anybody. And that's when he told me that, you go out, explore, market के बाहर निकलो, कहाँ जाना है आपको, देख लो. I found the market's gate. I escaped. I went out from there. मैंने उसको बोला, "यार यहाँ पे," then he asked me if you can see a temple or a mosque or XYZ. And I said, "No, I cannot see anything, but I can see a hill and there's a lot of grass around." He's like, "Go." There was a small road जो अपना होता है इसमें mountain पे, छोटा road जो पैर चलने वाला. तो he's like, "Go through that road. क्या दिखता है बता मुझे." I went. I told him I can see a person sitting up below a tree. He's like, "Go to that person. Do you know him?" And I went. I sat near the person. I told him I can see a very old person with very white hair, with a white robe and this big beard. And the beard was so big that he had a knot in between, and the beard continued. And then he asked me, "How does he look?" I told him he has a oval standing kind of face, small eyes, very fair. And he's like, "Do you know him?" And I'm not sure. He's like, try recognizing, put healings. Is he saying anything to you? And I was like, no, he's not saying anything. He's just staring at me. And then he told me, try recognizing him. And then I told him, Arina, I know this person. He's like, who is he? I told him he's a very old Sufi saint called Ibn Arabi. And that is when I told him, that person, like my grandfather would do to me, he just laughed and, tahake maar ke jo haste hum. Waise he laughed and he's like, why are you afraid of things? I'm there with you all the time. Why are you getting scared of life events and everything? I'm there with you. And then he hugged me and I told him, Sam, this is happening. He's like, you also hug him back. Give him your healings, take his blessings. And all that happened, and then he's like, try asking him, where are you and all that. I think now he's not talking. He just did that. He's like, okay, fine. He said that, Ashwin, I think your time here is done. This is what you wanted to see in this life. So I guess, we should leave. I said, okay. Then he again asked me, that are you, do you want to go back again? More back. I was like, yeah, I would love to do that. And that's when he started the whole procedure, and at one point, I told him, I told him the scene started here, bro. And then he told me, what is it? He's like, I can see myself in a warrior clothes, white warrior clothes. He's like, what exactly are you wearing? I was like, I'm wearing the typical Mawala dress, jo Maratha warriors pehante the. And I'm having mojaris in my leg. From the side, I can see I have a big mustache and a red pagdi on my head. He's like, do you have anything? I was like, I have a talwar in my hand. So he's like, is there a war going on? Is there anything going on over there? I was like, no, nothing is going on. I put the sword as a ground, as a zameen mein, a khet type area I'm standing. ऐसे मैंने रख के पैर रख के खड़ा हूँ मैं और मैं देख रहा हूँ कि क्या देख रहा हूँ मैंने बोला मैं it's a very beautiful scene, the sky is orange, there's breeze blowing everywhere, it's sunset, and I'm just looking, I'm overlooking a town and I'm seeing, this is so beautiful, all these people living here, and I'm in charge of them, and I'm taking care of them, and I'm the one who's responsible for everything, and I'm standing with pride, with my chest, full out. And then he said, try locating something over there, like a house or a fort or any kind of, religious place or something. And that's when I turned, I started searching here, and then I told him I can see a fort, but very far away. He's like, oh, try walking to the fort. And when he said that, it was like a snap, and I was at the gate of the fort. And I told him, he's like, can you recognize which fort this is? Is there any idea? I was like, let me explore. And when I started going near the fort, I told him, I know this place. This is Siagarh, I'm very sure. Because I've been there a lot of times. He's like, this is Siagarh, I know this is Siagarh. So he's like, cool, go inside, see what people are saying. And when I was walking inside, he said, is anybody calling you addressing you by any name? I was like, no, they're just looking at me, but then the look is very admiring. They're admiring me. It's like, it's casual for me to walk in here without any permissions, but they're admiring me. And then I told him that there were two people who quoted me as Sardar, and I just waved to them and I walked away. And he's like, where is your throne? Go find your throne, go sit on your throne. I said, I'm not going to the throne. I've again come and I'm standing on the border of the Qila. And I'm looking again to the same view, the orange light and everything. I'm looking, मैं देख रहा हूँ. तो इसलिए अश्विन वहाँ मत खड़े रहो, आप घूमो, पूरा किला घूमो, क्या है, कैसा है, बताओ हमें. When I turned, at that point, I went numb. My heart started beating so fastly. I started palpitating, and he's like, what is happening to you? Tell me. I was like, I cannot tell you, and I cannot imagine or believe myself what I'm seeing with my eyes. He's like, what are you saying? I was like, Chhatrapati is sitting in front of me, and I'm very, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to express. And he's like, then why are you getting scared? I was like, his eyes are so powerful, I cannot look into them. He's like, what kind of image is that? And it's like a lion looking at me. If you cannot look into a lion's eyes. He's like, it's like a lion looking at me, and I'm not scared, but I'm just bowing down. He's like, go talk to him. I was like, I cannot. He is Shivaji Maharaj. I cannot go talk to him without anybody's permission or something like that. So he's like, go, he loves you, go. I went, I sat down there, I greeted Maharaj, and that's when he touched my shoulders, picked me up, and he's like, he hugged me. And after that, all of a sudden, he just pushed me away, and he was very angry. I told him, Sam, he's very angry on me. I don't know what happened. He hugged me like a minute back, and he's just very angry now. So he's like, what is he doing? I was like, he's staring at me from far away. He's gone away from the throne. He's staring at me, and I'm very afraid. He's like, don't worry, go to him and talk to him, apologize to him if you've done anything wrong. So I told him, Sam, can I do this? Can I say this in Marathi? Because I am a Maharashtrian and obviously Shivaji Maharaj was a Maharashtrian. I'll do this in Marathi. He's like, do whatever you're comfortable in. And that is when I started talking to him. I told him, Maharaj, मला माफ करा, मी चुकलो नाहीये, मी तुम्हाला कुठे betray नाही केलं. So for people who don't understand Marathi, I'll go with the thing. I said that, Maharaj, I am not, I didn't betray you. I'm a loyal Sainik of yours. Don't misunderstand me. If there's anything, please tell me. If anybody's told you anything. And then all of a sudden I told him, Sam, his look has changed. He's not angry anymore. But he's staring at me. He's thinking something. And he's like, go again, talk to him. And that is when I went and I said that, kill me if you want. Take my head. But don't look at me with those eyes. I cannot bear you looking at me with those eyes. And that's when he just picked me up and he started laughing and he hugged me and he's like, don't be so loyal to me that without even knowing your mistake, you'll accept a death sentence from me. Always ask, what are you getting punished for? Don't just say yes and go. And he smiled and then I told him and he's like, now what is happening? I said, now everything is zoomed out and I can see me and Maharaj talking, and like I'm getting a third view. And then that is when, he went silent for a time and he said, Ashwin, try entering that body of that life. Try getting your soul into that body. So I could feel him trembling at that time, try entering that body. And when I entered that body, I said, okay, I'll do that. I entered. He's like, what are they talking first? Tell me that. I was like, they're discussing something. They're not talking, but I'm getting some instructions. He's telling me something. He's explaining me something. And I entered the body and it was a flash. I was like, Sam, I'm lifted out from there. He's like, where are you now? I was like, I myself am sitting on a throne. So he's like, what are you doing on a throne? I was like, I'm on a throne. I don't know. I'm sitting with the same attire, same face. Everything is same. Just that I have a very big Chandika Kada in my hand. So he's like, okay, what kind of throne is it? I told him everything. He's like, where are there any people? I was like, the whole darbar and everything is khali. कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे. तो उसने बोला बाहर चल के जाओ, explore outside. So when I walked out, I told him, there's a door. He's like, go to the door of the Qila, open it up. And I told him and I was like, Sam, I don't want to move from here. He's like, what happened? He's like, I'm seeing the same view. Again, it's orange sky. Everything is at peace. And there's breeze blowing. It's all nice. But there's only one difference, that there's a very big river flowing in front of me, but a very silent river, very calm. And that's when, he said, so what do you want? I was like, I want to stay here. I don't want to leave from here. And then he said, try recognizing yourself. And that's when I turned. I turned. He's like, let me go find something. He told me, go find a mandir or something like that. And I turned and I told him, Sam, I can see myself as Manaji Paigure, my descendant, whose descendant I am. And then he was like, cool, so you're the one who was there at that time. I guess I am, but is this true? He's like, obviously it is true, that is why you're seeing it. And I was like, okay, cool. And then he said, what do you want to do? I was like, I just want to live here. He said, did you come back? I was like, no. He's like, where is the fort? He's like, this fort is in Pakistan. I'm not in India. This fort is in Pakistan, I am in Pakistan. And that's when he said, okay, what do you want to do? I was like, I want to stay here, it's so peaceful here. So I guess that was the moment he realized, that Ashwin, now we need to get back now. And then I got back, he told me, do you want to travel more? I was like, yeah. And at that point, I don't know, when he started doing the whole again procedure of transferring yourself into another life, I told him, Sam, I'm getting n number of reflections and images in front of me. I cannot understand. So he placed his finger on my forehead. He's like, you're going to land somewhere. Tell me where you're landing. I don't know what point he hit me. I told him, okay, now everything is calm. Sab शांत हो गया. I've landed somewhere. He's like, where are you? तो मैंने ऊपर देखा, मैंने बोला मैं मक्का में हूँ. He's like, मक्का में? मैं बोला मैं मक्का मदीना में हूँ. तो I don't know if he wasn't aware of the Kaaba thing, and I couldn't recall Kaaba at that time. मैंने बोला, वो बोले मक्का में क्या कर रहे हो? मैं बोला मैं वो काले पत्थर के पास बैठा हुआ हूँ. बोले कौन सा काला पत्थर? मैंने बोला जिसकी सारे लोग पूजा करते हैं वो काला पत्थर. मैं उधर बैठा हुआ हूँ. बोले क्या कर रहे हो? मैंने बोला मैं वो उसका जो कपड़ा होता है उसको पकड़ के चूम रहा हूँ. तो इसलिए क्यों चूम रहे हो? मैंने क्यों चूम रहा हूँ मतलब दुनिया जिसको देखने के लिए मरती है, मैं उतना नज़दीक हूँ. मेरे को भगवान ने इतना बड़ा मौका दिया, उसकी नज़दीक आके पूजा करने का या उसके पास रहने का, मैं उसके लिए खुश हूँ। एंड देन ही सेड आपको रोना आ रहा है, तो मैं बोला मैं रोऊंगा क्यों, मैं खुश हूँ, मैं भगवान के इतना नज़दीक हूँ, मैं रोऊंगा क्यों। एंड दैट्स व्हेन ही सेड तो आपको करना क्या है। तो आई सडनली स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग उर्दू। मैंने बोला मेरे को इबादत करना है। एंड तो मैंने एक प्रेयर बोला जो बाद में अंकल ने मेरे को बोला कि ये कलमा था जो तूने पढ़ा है जो मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में पढ़ा नहीं है। तो मैं लिटरली आई स्टार्टेड सेइंग इफ एनीबॉडी इज हियर, यू नो, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, वो सब बोल दिया मैंने। तो सैम भी ऐसे था कि फाइन ठीक है चलो, इज लाइक व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू नाउ। आई थिंक आई वांट टू सिट हियर। इज लाइक नो स्टोन, वी नीड टू गेट बैक। आई लाइक ओके कूल। ही लाइक लेट मी जस्ट वन लास्ट टाइम, लेट मी हग दिस स्टोन very tightly. So he said, yeah, Muhammad and Allah, they've given you the chance to worship them again. So do that and come back again. And all of a sudden, I just, you know, I laughed. He's like, what happened? Why are you laughing? I think I don't know. But there's a very huge, beyond dimension Shiva standing behind that stone. Very huge, beyond dimension. मतलब मैं बोल भी नहीं सकता ये कितने बड़े। तो उन्होंने बोला अच्छा क्या कर रहे हो? तो मैंने बोला कुछ नहीं, रेगुलर अवतार में है त्रिशूल, वो एनिमल स्किन लपेटा हुआ है, यानी एक स्किन टोन नॉर्मल इंसान वाला, नथिंग ऐसे इमेजिनरी ब्लू है ग्रीन है, नथिंग लाइक दैट। तो ये क्या कर रहे हो, बात कर रहे हैं आपसे कुछ? मैंने बोला नहीं, वो हंस रहे हैं मेरे को देख के। बोले क्यों हंस रहे हैं? मैंने बोला आई कैन इंटरप्रेट, वो हंस रहे हैं, ये क्या बोल, मतलब आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है उसमें से? मैंने बोला मेरे को एक ही चीज़ समझ में आ रहा है कि इज लाफिंग एट मी, कि कितना बुद्धू है, मैं भी ये हूँ, ये ही सब, हम सब एक ही है, और ये इधर भी बैठ रहा है, वहाँ पे भी पूजा कर रहा है। तो देन उसने मेरे को बोला कि इज ही डायरेक्टिंग यू टुवर्ड्स वननेस? आई लाइक या ही इज। एंड दैट्स व्हेन ही सेड कि चलो आप शिव जी के पैर पढ़ो। मैंने पैर पढ़ा। लाइक आपको शिव जी को खुद में समाना है? मैंने बोला हाँ क्यों नहीं। लाइक आप उनको बोलो कि शिव जी आप मेरे में समा जाओ। तो मैंने बोला यार सैम बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो छोटे हो रहे। लाइक कितने छोटे हो रहे हैं? मेरे सामने खड़े अभी छोटे होके, and now he's entering me and I felt that he's coming. He turned and he sat ऐसे, तो इसको लग के ऐसे बैठ गया उधर in that force कि come what may, अभी चलो I'm with you now. So after that Sam ने उस म्यूजिक सब बंद कर दिया था, everything was silent and Sam just started saying, प्रभु जी आप आए हो, आप बताओ इनके लिए क्या मैसेज है। तो it was like इसको बताओ कि जो है वो अच्छा है, जो था वो अच्छा था, और जो होने वाला है वो इससे बेहतर होने वाला है, और तू जितना चाह रहा है उससे कहीं गुना में तुझे देने वाला हूँ। तो किस चीज़ से डर मत, मैं तेरे आगे चल रहा हूँ और तेरे रास्ते क्लियर कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं तेरे साथ हूँ या नहीं हूँ इसके बारे में सोच मत। एंड अगेन सो सैम आस्क्ड के बट देन ही सेड दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव हिम सो मच अबंडेंस एंड ऑल दैट, मनी एंड एवरीथिंग, बट ये आदमी एक जगह पे ये एरोगेंट हो जाएगा, तो इसका गुरु इसको लाइन पे रखेगा। सो आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉपर गुरु। मैंने कभी ऐसा कोई प्रॉपर गुरु किया नहीं है। मेरे नाना जी है, मैं उनको मानता हूँ बिकॉज ही हेल्प मी, ही इज गिवन मी अ लॉट ऑफ विजडम। तो ऐसे कोई प्रॉपर सिस्टम वाला गुरु नहीं है मेरा। तो इसने फिर साइड से बोला कि क्या वो उदय सर है? बोला हाँ। तो उनके लिए क्या मैसेज है आपका इसके इसमें रिलेटेड? तो उन्होंने बोला कि ये बंदा पीछे हटेगा, पर उनको बोलो इसकी उंगली पकड़ के लेके जाए इसको आगे, इसको आपको उंगली पकड़ के लेके जाना होगा, नहीं तो ये बहुत एरोगेंट हो जाएगा और फिर मैं इसमें से निकल जाऊंगा। दैट वाज द इमोशन बिहाइंड इट। एंड देन ही सेड ओके फाइन। एंड देन दिस गाय सेड दैट हमारा आगे रिट्रीट होने वाला है कहीं पे, तो उसके लिए आप कुछ हमें बेटरमेंट के लिए या हम कुछ सुधारे उसके लिए आप कुछ बोलना चाहोगे या सर को कुछ मैसेज देना चाहोगे? तो आई नेवर टॉक लाइक दिस विद एनीबॉडी, बट आई जस्ट सेड कि वो उनको समझ में आ जाएगा, आप मत पूछोगे। एंड उसके बाद सैम, माई हैंड वॉज लाइक दिस। तो सैम ने बोला प्रभु जी मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा भक्त हूँ, आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए मुझे। ही ट्राइड लिफ्टिंग माई हैंड, ही कुडंट लिफ्ट माई हैंड, इट वॉज वेरी हैवी। एंड आई जस्ट ऐसे साइड में ऐसे मैंने किया, मैंने बोला वो तेरे साथ है, मतलब इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ डोंट टच मी, वो तेरे साथ है। एंड दैट्स व्हेन ही सेड कि Ashwin, we need to come back, you know, आप अपनी चेतना में आ जाओ। I did everything, you know, I prayed, I thanked Lord Shiva and everybody. I came back. When I came back, तो मैं तो शॉक में था ही, पर मेरे बाजू में सैम कुर्सी पे पूरे पैर ऊपर लेके ऐसे शिवर होके मेरे को देख रहा था, और उसको देख के मैं ज़्यादा शॉक हो गया था। एंड फिर मैं कुछ बोलूँ उसके पहले उसने बोला प्रभु जी आपने मेरा सपना पूरा कर दिया, शिव जी से मिला दिया। And this thing he told me in the morning today कि जब भी आपने बोला शिवजी's come and sat, तभी I could feel a light entering you. And I was like, okay, that was nice. And my friends were waiting for me. तो मैं 1:30-2 बजे मैं रूम में घुस गया था कि आप लोगों को भरोसा नहीं होने वाला मैं जो बोलने वाला हूँ आपको. And everybody was so excited. हाँ, ये लोग तो ऐसे सोच के गए थे कि मैं निकल गया, मेरा हो गया.
रात 3 बजे तक बैठे थे.
हाँ, मैं 11:30 बजे गया था PLR के लिए. मैं बाहर आया हूँ 1:30 बजे.
आई थिंक आपने उसके बाद कुछ जो भी आपने देखा उसको गूगल भी किया था आपने.
मैंने आफ्टर एवरीथिंग व्हाट आई डिड वाज आफ्टर एवरीथिंग मैंने सबसे पहले सर को मैसेज किया था कि सर ये सब मैंने मतलब मुझे ही भरोसा नहीं हो रहा है कि ये मैंने देखा है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी इरिटेटिंग स्टूडेंट. मैं कल आपको बहुत क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाला हूँ. तो ही सेंट मी सम emojis and after that in the morning I came and I spoke to him and I googled everything. Okay, वो जो किला है, so the किला was exactly at the point where it was. It had a nadi behind it. It had a small door where you could overlook things. It was exactly like that. और फिर मैंने सिंहगढ़ का जब ये किया तो सिंहगढ़ पे एक जो कड़ा है, तो there was a place where शिवाजी महाराज used to sit very rarely. जब उनका मूड होता था वो कड़े के बाजू में, and that is where I met him.
Describe Shivaji for us.
हाँ.
How you saw him? Describe.
Oh, I saw him in a red dress. He was sitting like this, ऐसे on a throne. Red dress with a white tope. उनका जो हाँ टोप है उनका सिग्नेचर टोप. और उनकी आईज मतलब मैंने जितना शिवा और उनको देख के जो फील नहीं हो ना उतने उनकी आईज की एनर्जी थी. मतलब it was the eyes were like I am Shivaji. Come, try and beat me. The eyes were so powerful. It was very powerful. I was scared looking at it. But that was my experience. Thank you.